To create a session, we will click on Schedule a Meeting in the sidebar. On this screen, we'll go ahead and give our session an appropriate name and give it an appropriate start time and an appropriate end time. In this case, I created this session that is set up for a month. You can, however, create a session that lasts for up to a year. You'll also want to confirm that our default fields are appropriate for this session. When we click in the sidebar on Default Fields, it brings up the following. I've changed my hosted by to something appropriate for me. You'll also want to confirm other fields along the screen are appropriate for your session. And towards the bottom, if you plan on connecting this session to the teleconferencing feature, you'll want to go ahead and enter the information that was provided to you by the DPI administrator. You'll notice that the phone number is repeated 3 times. The moderator PIN is repeated twice, while the participant PIN is repeated once. If you are entering in that information for the first time, you'll want to go ahead and click Save as Defaults. Any future sessions that you create will now have this information as the default setting. We will now need to create the session by clicking on Create the Session, which then brings us to a screen that gives us the guest link. You'll also receive an email that gives you information about this session. In that email, it has moderator information, so you'll not want to forward that to your participants, but you'll want to extract out the phone number and the participant PIN along with the participant link. And you can forward that information to your participants.